subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for new videos notifications. 6 Chrome features you didn't know existed. Dinosaur game. Dinosaur game. Next time you fail to connect to the internet on Chrome, tap the spacebar and play Dinosaur game. Calculator. When you are online and need to do a quick sum, you don't have to hunt down your computer calculator or whip out your phone. Just type it into the Chrome Omnibar and hit enter. Make multiple profile. If you use multiple Google accounts for work and for personal use, for instance, you can keep your bookmarks and browsing history for each account separate by creating individual profiles. Go to Settings, Manage People, and Add Person. This also handy for when you lend your computer to a friend and you don't want them to have access to your internet history. Extra info. To see cookies and permissions for every site you visit, click the View Site Information symbol on the left-hand edge of the Omnibar. It will also let you quickly control things like pop-up and location settings. Task Manager. You can quickly find out which pages are using up the most memory and slowing down your browsing experience by opening Menu, More Tools and opening the Chrome Task Manager. Downloads. Many users would prefer it if Chrome downloaded files straight to the desktop, but by default, it sends them to your Downloads folder. You can change this by going to Settings, opening the Show Advanced Settings menu, clicking Downloads, and choosing your preferred destination. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and the most important thing, subscribe.